Hi, this is VC Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to turn off memories on Facebook or Messenger. Before you get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. Facebook has been around since 204. So if you were an early adopter, that's a lot of photo status updates and comments saved to your account. With Facebook Memories, the social network can remind you of moments it believes you want to relive. But there will be inevitably be memories you'd rather forgot exist that were hard caught or friends and family will have passed. So how to turn off memories on your messenger? It's so simple. So first of course, we have to open our messenger. Now you can just go to the settings by tap on the bottom right here on the three lines over here. You can just tap on settings. Now you can just scroll down until you find on the preferences section there is an option memories. You can just tap on that. By default, this feature is active. You can enable this feature. You can disable this feature by tap on the toggle in here. So your photos, videos, and message from your chat will not be used to create memories. It's a simple right. So that is how to turn off memories on Messenger. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.